channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stockholm, Sweden's right bloc descended into the narrowest of leads with around three-quarters of votes counted after Sunday's general election, with results pointing to a new government after 8 years of social democrat rule. The figures show the moderate Sweden Democrats, Christian Democrats, and Liberals winning 70 seats in the 34-seat parliament against 70 for the center-left. In further evidence of a shift or the right, the anti-immigration Sweden Democrats are set to overtake the moderates as Sweden's second biggest party and the biggest in the opposition, a historic shift in a country that has long prided itself on tolerance and openness. Now, for the first time, we have a real change, a real possibility to be not just an opposition party, but to sit in and be an active part in a new government that takes politics in a completely new direction. Sweden Democrat Party Secretary Richard Johnson told public broadcaster SVT, with overseas and some postal votes yet to be counted and the margin between two block wavered in the result could still change and made to be clear until the middle of the week. Earlier, an exit survey by public broadcaster NVT gave Anderson's center-left bloc 49% of the votes against 49% for the opposition right-wing parties. The CVT exit poll showed Jimmy Akesson's Sweden Democrats, which demand that asylum immigration be cut to virtually zero, with 20% of the vote, up from 17% at the previous election. While law and order issues are home turf for the right, gathering economic clothes as household and companies face sky-high power price had been seen boosting Price Minister Magdalene Andersson viewed as a safe pair of hands and more popular than her party. I have fought for a Sweden where we continue to build on our strengths, our ability to tackle society problems together, form a sense of community and respect each other. Anderson said after voting in a Stockholm suburb. Anderson was finance minister for many years before becoming Sweden's first female prime minister a year ago. Her main rival, Moderates leader ULV Kristersson, had cast himself as the only candidate who could unite the right and used her. Kristersson has spent years deepening ties with the Sweden Democrats, an anti-immigration party with white supremacists among its founders. Initially shunned by all the other parties, the Sweden Democrats are now increasingly part of the mainstream right. The prospect the Sweden Democrats having a say in government policy or joining the cabinet has dividend voters. I'm very much a repressive, very right-wing government coming. Malin Eriksson, 53, a travel consultant, said earlier on Sunday at a voting station in central Stockholm. The strong result for the Sweden Democrats fit a pattern of gains for the anti-immigration right wing across Europe, where Italy looks poised to elect a conservative bloc including Giorgia Meloni's brother of Italy and Matteo Salvini's language later this month. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.